Bay windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Coppell who want to enhance both the style and functionality of their living spaces. These windows project outward from the main walls, creating a larger interior space, improving natural light, and providing expansive views. For busy homeowners, choosing low-maintenance bay windows ensures that these benefits can be enjoyed without requiring extensive upkeep. One of the primary advantages of low-maintenance bay windows is durability. Modern bay windows are often constructed with materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames, which resist warping, rotting, and fading. Unlike traditional wood frames, these materials withstand the challenges of the local climate, including occasional rain, humidity, and temperature fluctuations, without needing regular painting or sealing. This durability makes them an ideal choice for homeowners who want the beauty of bay windows without the constant attention older styles may require. Another benefit is ease of cleaning. Many low-maintenance bay windows feature tilt-in sashes or removable panels, allowing homeowners to clean both the interior and exterior glass surfaces from inside the home. This eliminates the need for ladders or professional window cleaning for most routine maintenance tasks, saving time and effort. Keeping the windows clear ensures maximum natural light enters the room, brightening interiors and creating a more inviting atmosphere. Low-maintenance bay windows also improve energy efficiency. They often include double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and low-E coatings that reduce heat transfer. In Coppell's climate, this helps keep homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter while lowering energy bills. Well-sealed windows prevent drafts and air leaks, which reduces the workload on heating and cooling systems, contributing to comfort and cost savings for busy households. Design versatility is another reason homeowners choose bay windows. Low-maintenance options are available in various styles, colors, and finishes, allowing them to complement modern, traditional, or transitional homes. Homeowners can select grille patterns, hardware finishes, and frame colors to match their interior and exterior design. This flexibility ensures that bay windows enhance the aesthetic appeal of the home while remaining practical and easy to maintain. Functionality is also an important consideration. Bay windows create additional interior space that can be used for seating, storage, or decorative displays. Their wide glass panels provide expansive views, connecting indoor spaces with the outdoors and making rooms feel larger and more open. For busy Coppell homeowners, this combination of beauty and practicality allows bay windows to serve multiple purposes without adding extra maintenance tasks. Low-maintenance bay windows are also designed for longevity. High-quality materials, durable hardware, and precision construction help prevent common issues such as sagging sashes, sticking mechanisms, or water infiltration. With proper installation, these windows provide reliable performance for years, minimizing the need for repairs or replacements. This durability is especially valuable for homeowners with busy schedules who want to enjoy the benefits of bay windows without ongoing headaches. Another advantage is improved home value. Bay windows are a desirable feature in real estate, adding both visual appeal and functional benefits. Buyers appreciate the combination of natural light, expanded interior space, and energy efficiency. Installing low-maintenance bay windows allows homeowners to increase property value while enjoying immediate comfort and aesthetic improvements. Maintenance routines for these windows are straightforward. Regular cleaning of glass surfaces, occasional inspection of seals, and lubrication of hardware are typically all that's required. This simplicity is ideal for homeowners who want beautiful, functional windows without the burden of constant upkeep. In addition to saving time, low-maintenance bay windows contribute to indoor comfort. Their insulating properties, combined with proper ventilation when windows are operable, help maintain consistent temperatures and improve air quality. This creates a healthier, more comfortable environment for families, even in homes with busy schedules. In conclusion, low-maintenance bay windows provide busy Coppell homeowners with a practical and stylish solution for enhancing their living spaces. They offer durability, energy efficiency, design versatility, and ease of care, all while creating additional space, natural light, and a strong connection to the outdoors. By choosing high-quality materials and professional installation, homeowners can enjoy the beauty and functionality of bay windows for years, with minimal maintenance and maximum enjoyment.